Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Barbie Games is probably one of the most exciting gaming experiences for young players. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Barbie Games on the Nintendo Switch, exploring what makes these games so special. Whether you're a longtime Barbie fan or new to the franchise, this video will help you discover the perfect game to match your interests and gaming style, ensuring hours of fun and entertainment. Number 5. Unicorn Princess, Nintendo Switch. Saddle up and get ready for adventure. This game lets you explore a vast open world on the back of one of 6 beautiful horses. It's a journey you won't forget. Make it your own. You can customize both your horse and your character with a variety of outfits and accessories. Express yourself and create a unique look. Experience 2 unique worlds. During the day, enjoy life in your town and ranch. Then, at night, enter a magical fantasy world filled with dreams. Select from 6 different horses to explore the world. Each horse has its own unique style. Find the perfect companion for your journey. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. This game offers a unique blend of exploration, customization, and fantasy. It's a world waiting to be discovered. What we like. This game offers a vast open world to explore on horseback. You can customize your character and your horse. If you enjoy exploring and creating your own adventure, this game is perfect for you. What people say. My daughter enjoyed this game, although she did need some help navigating through the game. Story is good. Missions are good. Quality is good. It's simple enough she can play it and she gets to buy horses and clothes for her character. I have a 6-year-old and she loves this game. Number 4. DC Superhero Girls, Teen Power, Nintendo Switch. Experience the world of DC Superhero Girls. You can play as Wonder Woman, Supergirl, and Batgirl from the animated series. Team up with them to fight for justice. You can also play as supervillains. Harley Quinn, Catwoman, and Star Sapphire are all playable characters. Use their unique abilities to save Metropolis. Toyman is causing trouble in Metropolis. It's up to you to stop him. Use each character's unique abilities to defeat him and save the day. Explore the city as a hero or a regular teenager. Visit iconic hangout spots from the show, like Metropolis High School and Sweet Justice. But be careful not to reveal your secret identity. Build up Hobbs Bay, an abandoned part of Metropolis. Put your own stamp on its fresh new look and make it your own. It's your chance to create something new. What we like. You can play as your favorite DC Superhero Girls characters. You can team up with supervillains. If you enjoy action-packed gameplay and love the DC Superhero Girls, this is the game for you. What people say. I absolutely enjoyed this game and I completed it very quickly. There is enough side content that I actually played for almost a week trying to complete everything and I still have unfinished business in the game. There's multiple different types of collectibles, many side quests, a good story, and while most of the battles weren't anything too challenging, there were a few optional ones that I still haven't managed to beat. This is a great game for younger gamers. The developers really did a great job of capturing the series. The combat is very simple, but works extremely well. The game runs smooth and extremely polished. Number 3. Cooking Mama Cookstar for Nintendo Switch. Get ready for a brand new Cooking Mama game. This is created for the Nintendo Switch. You'll love the fun and engaging gameplay. Explore the all-new vegetarian mode. It offers a fresh and exciting way to play. You can create delicious meals. With over 90 recipes, there's something for everyone. It includes both traditional and vegetarian options. You can master a variety of dishes. Enjoy classic recipes alongside fun new ones, like unicorn food. It offers a delightful mix of familiar favorites and exciting new creations. It's a culinary adventure. The game features a blend of traditional and motion controls. It provides an intuitive and immersive experience. You can choose how you want to play. What we like. This game brings a fresh cooking experience to the Switch. It features a vegetarian mode and a wide range of recipes. If you are looking for a fun and diverse cooking game, this is a great choice. What people say. The game itself runs great true to its franchise. No lagging or bugs I noticed so far. Adorable animations to follow the cooking. It's a lot of fun and the graphics are great and cute too. The mini-games in Cooking Mama, Cookstar are engaging and enjoyable. They simulate various cooking techniques and add an interactive element to the gameplay. Number 2. Just Dance 2023 Edition, Code in Box, for Switch. Get ready to move with the hottest tracks. This game features Dynamite by BTS and many other chart toppers. You'll be dancing in no time. Enjoy songs from Harry Styles, Lady Gaga, Billie Eilish, and more. It includes a diverse selection of music to keep you entertained. There's something for everyone to enjoy. The new interface is modern and intuitive. Everything is just a click away, from playlists to game modes. It makes it easier to jump into the fun. This game creates custom sessions based on your preferences. It also tracks your progress and scores. Show off your skills and see how you improve. This product provides a download code, no cartridge included. An internet connection, Ubisoft account, and Nintendo account are required. Get ready to dance. What we like. This edition features a wide array of top chart hits. The new user interface makes it easy to navigate. If you love dancing to the latest music and want a personalized experience, this is the game for you. What people say. One of the standout features of Just Dance 2023 edition is its extensive collection of songs. The game's user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it accessible to players of all ages and skill levels. The visuals in Just Dance 2023 edition are vibrant and captivating. Number 1. LOL Surprise Remix, We Rule the World, Nintendo Switch. Move into your new home and make it your own. Customize and furnish it to your liking. You can earn new items by attending various events. Explore the LOL Surprise Remix Festival grounds. You can interact with many LOL Surprise characters. Earn in-game items, including furniture, to decorate your home. You can also get fashions to change your character's outfits, and records that will play different LOL Surprise songs. Take photos of yourself and friends in the game. These can be used to decorate your house or be tied to quests. Expect several monthly content drops after the game's release. These will include additional dolls, quests, mini-games, and fashions. These packs of downloadable content are free to all players. What we like. You can customize your home and earn items. You can explore the LOL Surprise Remix Festival grounds. If you enjoy collecting items and participating in events, you should consider this game. What people say. My daughter loves this game. If your kid is into LOLs, this is the perfect game for them. She absolutely loves the game and is always playing it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.